Hey, 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 it's What's Cooking, Part 2. Philip Fredrickson.
Well, what's cooking this time? Good looking.
Okay, so this is the white chicken, cheesy, creamy, keto-friendly chili that technically I won an award for. So you take the rotisserie chicken from Costco that is boneless, and then you rough cut it up, and in the crock pot, this is going to be a crock pot thing, using my Cutco cutting board, my Cutco knife. Ooh, it's chili. What are you doing?
Reading.
Oh.
I'm just reading that several cities in the United States have announced plans to lift restrictions on indoor dining in bars and restaurants.
Praise be to God, right? Can't live without this. Trader Joe's, best garlic ever. Gonna plunk a bunch in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Gonna throw the chicken in there. Okay. Philip, usually you chat with me. I feel like it's
I don't know what to say. We just did this 5 minutes ago.
You told me you were going to say stuff.
Well, I did. I was just
Don't
reading about opening the bars
dude.
and restaurants. I don't think that's going to be in California, however. Our governor has a stranglehold on all that stuff at the moment.
Nutso. Nutso. Trying to think of what else to talk about. Kind of talk about the Buffalo Bills who are going to go to the Super Bowl. How awesome is that? Be fun to go watch the game somewhere, but I mean, I'd have to.
We will. We'll be leaving the kitchen and going into the living room.
Yes, I would have to have my mouth washed out with soap.
I've already map quested it. It'll take us about 33 seconds to get there.
That's good. 33 seconds to the
33
kitchen?
seconds. Well, because we have to make a stop via the refrigerator to pick up our drink of choice.
Okay.
And then go, so it takes a little longer.
So I am going to add some chicken stock to this. And
Now, what is this you're making again?
I'm making my white chicken chili.
Ah. Oh, yes. I guess the buffalo dip is for tomorrow.
Yes.
So we'll be doing that tomorrow morning before the game.
Correctamundo.
Do we know what time the game starts?
Yes, I asked Alexa, what time does the Buffalo Bills play tomorrow? Alexa, what time?
Play the Chiefs in the AFC Championship tomorrow afternoon at 3:40 p.m.
3:40 p.m.
Is that Eastern time?
I'm assuming she's giving us Eastern or Pacific.
I would think so. I'm Googling it right now.
But make sure
just
you
to
do
make sure.
Pacific. Oh, could you open this for me, please?
I do not trust that woman.
Oh. Okay. So
She eavesdrops too much. I don't trust a woman who eavesdrops.
Oh, there you go. All right. So to this, we are going to add some salsa verde. I don't measure anything, so whoopsie. So this whole jar is going in. Again, the last time I made this, Ralph and Stephanie were here. This was forever ago. Crushed red pepper, gotta love it, gotta love it. And then we're gonna put some flame roasted green chili. So we're gonna put like a bunch of that in. I put about a half a jar, almost a half a jar. We've got cumin. Gonna put cumin in there. Oh, I know what the trick was that time too. Oh, I'm so glad I just remembered that. Remember that lime powder that I got?
Mm-hmm.
I put lime powder in there. So, North Park Produce, they sell something called dried lime powder. And man, it really enhances your dishes. So I'm gonna shake some of that in there. Gonna put some chili powder. Chili powder. Okay. I'm gonna put salt.
It is 3:40 Pacific time.
Okay.
It's 6:40 Eastern time.
Okay. Oh, that might help if I turn this thing on. Hello. Whoopsie.
Alexa.
Okay.
How
Crock
much
pot
is
is now
Buffalo Bills favored by?
I like that. We have cilantro.
Sure about that.
Not sure about
How much they're favored by?
how dare she. What's the point spread? I thought I programmed her that she would tell me things without having to keep asking her, like by name. I'm gonna
You
put
have
more
to give her
chicken stock
name
in.
in order for her to even turn on.
No,
the
she
thing
didn't
and
used
listen.
to. No, she has a new thing now.
She just turns on all the time.
Basically.
She's easily turned on.
She likes, yes, she's easily turned on. Okay, cream cheese is going in. Dee-dee-dee-dee, Philadelphia cream cheese. All right. Oh, and a big heaping hick-a-jigger of it. Like a lot.
The Super Bowl's in Tampa Bay.
Oh, that's so unfair. See, again, he even gets field advantage if he wins. Just so unfortunate.
Why they hired him to come play for them.
You think? Black pepper. I don't know when I make this kind of stuff. I don't really pay attention to what I'm supposed to be doing. There's still a little bit left in that jar. Woo-hoo. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the cheddar cheese in. So basically the chicken is cooked.
I think the Chiefs are favored only by 3 points.
Okay. I don't like putting raw chicken and cooking raw chicken technically in a crock pot. I think it gets rubbery and dry. Strangely, the pre-cooked one does not. So this is good old-fashioned orange cheese. I'm certain that
My favorite.
I know, Philip bought so much of this that I feel like we need to use it. Did I use a different kind of cheese that time too?
I don't know.
I have cilantro that I'm gonna snip and put in, but not yet. That'll be later.
Oh, this is mild cheddar. Did we use sharp cheddar before or mild?
I don't remember. Like I said, I kind of just made it. I never will be able to duplicate what I made for that contest. I know I won't. It is what it is. All right, so we're gonna just stir this up a little bit and then put the lid on and it'll be done. And Philip Frederickson, as soon as the rain stops, we should get those puppies out for a little stroll roll. Right? Are you snacking on that cheese now?
I had to give it a try to make sure it was okay for your chili.
And I had some egg salad in between cooking, and it was very, very good. Super satisfying. So we'll have this even for tomorrow, you know, for the game. So I don't have to cook tomorrow. Well, I will. I'll make that buffalo chicken dip. Or, you know what I could do? I could do chicken wings in the air fryer. That could be good.
Oh, we want that dip though.
What's the dip? The dip is good. All right, everybody say a prayer. I really, 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 really want those Buffalo Bills to win. Please, please, please. 4 years in a row I was...
And more importantly, we want our clients selling their home right now to find a place
Yes.
they love.
Yes.
And I think the fact they lost this, even though it was their favorite, they're going to find something even
better. We always think that. Yes, sir. All right, that was quick and easy, and that's it. I don't think anyone's even on Facebook. Are you on Facebook?
No.
No?
No.
I think I'm live. Am I live on Facebook?
Let me look. I'm
crazy-
sure you are.
The crazy girls, there must be somebody outside.
Actually,
A delivery of some sort, potentially?
Actually, I don't know if I
Huh.
Usually you pop up on my news, you know, the
Oh. 4:30, Jay Rodriguez, Queer Eye for a Straight Guy, every single day at 4:30 on Facebook, on his Facebook page. He does live. He
And
does
you are.
Wig Wednesdays. He does Music Mondays. Super fun. A great group of Jaybirds that hang out there. And at 5:30, he jumps over to his Instagram page. So we need to really support our musicians. We've got Johnny Tarr playing live every day. Randy Driscoll's playing live. Ed Landsberg. It's Buffalo tomorrow. Let's get them to the Super Bowl and to win. I mean, I really would have, if Cleveland would have won last week and played Buffalo tomorrow, I would have been like, okay, my dad's favorite team and my favorite team, I'm just going to be grateful for whoever wins. But now that it's down to Buffalo, Kansas City out the door. So.
Yeah, we don't like Kansas City. I should like them because the Chargers hated them. And the enemy of my enemy is my friend.
There you go.
But I don't. I root for the Buffalo anyway because I still don't like them.
That's one way to do it.
Yep.
I have a tickle. Okay, so I'm back. Haha. Okay, guys, everybody stay safe, stay healthy. We're just cooking, just doing a lot of cooking in the kitchen and hanging out. And
pretty chill evening tonight. Which is nice.
I know. There's like, where do you go? What do you do? Nothing.
I don't think we've hung out in the living room for a while. Usually it's been a different room.
Maybe well, you're not drinking, but maybe I could do like a wine tasting tour or something.
Well, I still can wine taste.
I could do like a wine tasting in the dining room, go into the living room, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe that's what will end up happening. Okay, see you everybody.